ever pondered the process of altering your Facebook password? A crucial aspect of digital safety, changing your password regularly can safeguard your personal information from prying eyes. Today, we're diving into the simple, step-by-step process of changing your Facebook password. To kick off, you'll need to log into your Facebook account. Once there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the home page. You'll see a downward-facing arrow. Give that a click and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, there's an option labeled Settings and Privacy. Go ahead and select that. This will lead you to another sub-menu where you'll need to click on Settings. Now, you've entered the beating heart of your Facebook account settings. On the left side of this page, there's a column of options. Security and login should be your target here. Clicking on that will open up a page where you can manage all your security settings. On the Security and Login page, you'll spot a section titled Login. Within this section, you'll find the Change Password option. Click on it and you'll be prompted to input your current password as well as your new password. Remember, a strong password is your first line of defense against hackers. So, make sure your new password is a robust mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've filled in your current and new passwords, click on Save Changes. There you have it. Your Facebook password has been successfully changed. To summarize, begin by logging into your Facebook account. Click the downward arrow on the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy, followed by Settings. From there, go to Security and Login, and then Change Password. Input your current and new passwords, then hit Save Changes. Voila! You've mastered the art of changing your Facebook password. Always remember, in this digital age, the safety of your personal information hinges on the strength of your password. So keep it complex, change it regularly, and stay safe in the world of social media.